I'm Leonardo. I'm from Federal University of Santa Maria in the south of Brazil. I am interested in working with ASICs and I use Cadence tools for research and teaching, mainly focused on digital backend flow. And in the education field, students have the opportunity to go into design methodologies and finish with layout of an ASIC. I've heard about the Tensilica Design Contest by an email from Cadence, and after we received this email, we started to send an application form to be part of the academic network. I had no previous experience with Tensilica, and we started using the Extensa Explorer software after we became part of the academic network. We had little experience on the subject of the contest, so it make it a challenge itself. So we had to try different approaches to deal with such big numbers involved in a Montgomery modular multiplication. And we also have to cope with the restriction of a processor that does not have cache memory. So firstly, we had to focus on decrease the number of cycles in the operations by using ties and the Karatsuba algorithm. So after we analyzing the provided code by Cadence, we started to adapt it to deal with such big numbers and take it as a paramount for further comparisons. So in this process, we were able to analyze some hotspots, identify some hotspots, and our team started to design some new functions to enhance the performance of the processor. We are very excited to be part of the contest because actually we are very young in the academic network. We started less than a year ago, and we are very glad because we achieved some success in the first attempt in this contest. Well, I think the contest will help in the future as my university got enrolled in the academic network. The contest will act as a trigger for students to get involved in this kind of technology. And as engineers have traditional knowledge about computer organization, I think, in my opinion, Tensilica can be seen as a different way to design high-performance circuits, high-performance hardware, and like an ASIC, and still maintain some kind of flexibility to perform further instructions, like a processor. I would recommend Tensilica for my cohort because as Tensilica is a customizable platform, customizable processor, it can fit in many different research areas and applications. So I see a great potential to develop work with related work with my colleagues. And also I would like to thank Cadence for the opportunity to be part of the academic network and to be here at CDN Live.